Hello, my beautiful Irin Academy family. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you safe, calm, and well today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had this moment? Something unexpected happens, your phone breaks, you get sick, or you might lose job for weeks, and suddenly you feel panic. Not because the problem is big, but because you are not prepared. If this sounds familiar to you, this video is for you. Please stay with me till the end because what I'm gonna share with you might change the way you think about money before. If you earn money, if you spend money, if you worry about money, this message is for you. Let me ask you something. What is an emergency fund? It is money, quiet money, patient money, money that waits. You don't touch it, you don't show it, you don't spend it for fun. It is there for emergencies. Why it matters? Life doesn't ask permission. Emergency doesn't send a message before coming. They arrive suddenly. When they arrive, they ask, are you ready? Your emergency fund answers for you. Let me tell you about a living legend, Serena Williams. Before every match, she prepares herself for the worst. She doesn't say, nothing will goes wrong. Rather, she says, if something goes wrong, I am ready for it. That mindset makes her strong. And that mindset is also works for money. An emergency fund is not fear, it is strength. An emergency fund is for medical bills, urgent family needs, job loss, and unexpected bills. Emergency fund is not for travel, shopping, luxury, or entertainment. These rules protect you. Now you may ask, how much should I save? Let's make it simple. Look at your monthly expenses. Let's say you need $1,000 to survive every month. So your emergency fund goal is 3 months for $3,000, 6 months for $6,000. Not today, not this month. Slowly, quietly. You don't need big amount to start. Just $50 in a month matters. Even $100 in a month also matters because the habit is much more matters than the amount. Because small steps create big impact. There is a famous line from the famous book, The Richest Man in the Babylon. George S. Clason wrote, prepare for the days of necessity. That is exactly an emergency fund does. It prepares you. Without an emergency fund, small problems feels huge. Stress feels constant. Sleep feels difficult. But with an emergency fund, you feel lighter. You breathe slower. You think clearer. You decide better. And the life becomes quieter. Money stop shouting. Today do one thing. Open a separate account. Name it emergency fund and promise yourself, I'll not touch it unless life truly demands it. That promise is very powerful. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be prepared. Prepared people suffer less. And always remember this, emergency fund is not an extra money. It is peace, it is security, it is self-respect. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Irin Academy and like and share this video with your family and friends. And write it in the comments. I choose preparation over panic. Thank you very, very much for choosing your better life by watching this video. Stay calm, stay strong, and protect your future quietly. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.